We have, as we all have, had various challenges over recent times with regard to speed and reliability of access. There's been a big review of our own IT network and our systems, our storage systems and so on, and there are a number of weaknesses that needed resolving. And one of those was involved the movement of all of our data. The ability to be able to use a service like this is very, very convenient for us. There are also some key areas of business, in particular in KMH, for example, where I know there are some pinch points around latency and reliability. And I know that the team in IT will be working closely with KMH to look at what can this service do and to actually potentially trial it and see how it works with some of their services. So, that's really what we're doing here. On one hand, you could say the timing is shockingly bad and it just looks like government's trying to get, cheap and better data through an alternate source, but that's actually not what it's being used for. So it's actually not being used for the same purposes of which the petition is all about, which is that people have the right to choose their own broadband service. Or you could look at it and say, well, actually, given this is such a hot topic, isn't it good that the government are actually doing something about understanding how Starlink works so that when they have discussions with Shaw or whoever, as we move forwards in this discussion about who may or may not be providing our telecom services in the future, wouldn't it be good if the government are at least informed themselves properly with their own data? I would like to think that people recognise what we're trying to do and actually see it as a good thing.